Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and turning on location so the app centers on you immediately. Once done, make sure you're signed into your Google account for consistent settings. Tap the search bar or let the map load around your blue dot. This positions the map where traffic info is relevant. You do not need extra apps. Now pinch to zoom to your area of interest and prepare to reveal live traffic details in the next step. Next, tap the Layers or Map Details icon and choose Traffic. This overlays live conditions on the map. You'll see roads tinted green through dark red. Green means free-flowing and red means heavy congestion. If you prefer visual context, switch to satellite before enabling traffic, which helps you identify landmarks. Once the layer is active, scroll and zoom to check alternate routes and incidents. Make sure refresh occurs automatically, if needed. Pull down or reload the page to fetch current data. Finally, use directions to get a traffic-aware ETA and suggested routes. Google recalculates times based on current flow, so you can pick faster alternatives. Once set, start navigation to receive turn-by-turn guidance and live rerouting around jams. If you don't see traffic, check that location and background data permissions are enabled, confirm a stable internet connection, and update the app or browser. If problems persist, restart the app or device. Most display issues clear after a quick reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.